Fans slam Ariana Grande's security after she's attacked at Singapore Wicked for Good premiere. Ariana Grande and the Wicked for Good cast were walking the yellow carpet at the Singapore premiere when a fan jumped the barricade, rushed at her, and wrapped an arm around her neck while jumping beside her. Not only did Ariana's security fail to stop the fan as he approached, but they also reacted slowly, allowing her co-star Cynthia Erivo to pull the attacker off her instantly. Ariana Grande attacked in Singapore, protected by Cynthia Erivo. Videos of the incident have gone viral as fans criticize Ariana's security for their slow response. In the clip, the cast walks the yellow carpet when a fan suddenly rushes in and grabs Ariana around the neck. Cynthia immediately steps in, pushes the fan away with both hands, and stays by Ariana's side until security arrives to remove him. As Cynthia comforts a visibly shaken Ariana, fans praise her quick response but express frustration at the security team's lack of urgency. Social media reactions. And those fans weren't afraid to call out the security team in the comment section of the many viral videos, with lots of people bringing up the fact that Ariana has PTSD from her 2017 concert, where an attack occurred, leaving 22 people dead and over 1,000 others injured. Okay, but how did Cynthia react faster than the security? One fan asked. Were the bodyguards even awake? Another asked. Their reactions were in sleep mode. Cynthia needs a check for being security, a third fan said. Cynthia is a baddie, another agreed. She was ready to throw down. Ari needs a new security team, a final fan said.